Hello guys. Today we learn about how to use filter option in Ultimate Portfolio. In the previous video we learned how to use the grid layout in Ultimate Portfolio. If you need this video, find the link on the description, and click on card to watch that video. Go to Edit page. Click on any one image. Now click on Image Settings. You can set image preview, also set image preview and image percentage. Set image title. Select image category. Set media type. Set image URL. And image description. In Content Settings, click on the Show More button to load additional images. Click the Edit Item button to add additional images. Use drag and drop functionality. You can delete all images. This is a filter. Now go to the filter option and enable the filter button if needed. Enable sort control. Enable search control. Click on filter option button. You can set display all filter. You can change text. Click on add filter button. For example, I am creating some filters to divide into categories. After adding a filter, you can utilize the drag and drop functionality within the filter. Now enable filter count. Click on Check Filter Count on mouse hover, exit pop-up. This is an effective filter count on mouse hover. Now go to Image Settings and select Filter Categories. I'm selecting some image filter category, and fast forwarding this video. Now click on Update button. And go to Main page and refresh a page. Filter settings have been successfully applied to your page. Please check each filter one by one. Verify the sort order. And review the search control. Go to Edit page. Click on Style. Click on Filter Style again. Choose any filter style you need. Select Filter Text Color. Select Filter Background Color. Choose any filter alignment you need. Now click on Update button. And go to Main page and refresh a page. Filter style and alignment has been changed. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates.